The S&P hopefully wakes up this week. Wakes up and does something. I am long an ES contract right now. Hanging out, and I do mean literally right before the close. I grabbed it out of Type 2. I did not put that in the Discord. It was just kind of a, I'll do something. I was long earlier. I put my stop at the green. I told you guys like, hey, this is gonna be nice and tight because I just didn't think so, and then it pulled back. So it pulled back enough for me to get in. I want to say it was this wick that got me out. Either way, it was right after that push. Kind of a nothing day. Tomorrow's still nothing. I think Wednesday is our first real day. Yeah, so Wednesday is when we have CPI. We'll see if tomorrow's kind of a I bet tomorrow we might even continue the grind. It would suck if we stayed range bound. Still more worried about sellers closer to this Type 2 level. I don't think that's tied to anything, is it? I do just want to double. I know I just kind of put that zone there, but looks like we probably need to have that zone right there to really. All right, so I was pretty close to on, so we'll worry about that zone right there for now. Looking at the S&P again, nothing. NASDAQ, the NASDAQ, it needed to reject a little bit more. It would have been nice to go. That was the pop. I wanted to go short here, right? I remember wanting to short it because we kind of just went up and went sideways. I was like, are we gonna have one of these where we pull back down somewhere to like right in here? And if we did, I could not ignore that as a. I mean, if we could pull back right to there, like tomorrow's turnaround Tuesday for some reason, we're red all the way to there. I'm for sure buying. That's where I would go long a NASDAQ contract. For now, we're kind of in a zone. Watch out for sellers to this Type 2 area. If it stays in that zone, I'm still just a buyer. It does kind of look like we're pushing up. As far as the expected move, nothing. Let's check Grandpa Dow real quick. Hanging out in the zone. Does look like a decent long. Russell. It's bright yellow for a reason. I would be very careful on that one.